Given that we have managed to reduce the world's tropical forests so significantly over recent decades, with over 500 million hectares lost since 1950, the restoration of forests and forest landscapes should not be an afterthought, but instead surely an equal priority to halting deforestation and degradation. So, with political will and leadership, spurred on in turn by further leadership from the private sector and from civil society, everything becomes possible. And in fact, as you all know, it is only with bold commitments, leadership, cooperation, and tenacity that it will be possible to safeguard the world's forests, without which, ladies and gentlemen, we have no future, or certainly not one that we would wish to inhabit. This, therefore, really is a critical session, and on such a vital subject, there can be no room for failure. It is very simple. We must save our forests, for there is no plan B to tackle climate change.